Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, my right front tire is a little low. Needs to add a little air into it. This one turns out fine for some odd reason. I have about 30 psi of pressure in this tire, but there's about 24 in that one. Don't worry about this bad boy. This thing is for the exhaust. But this one is for the low tire pressure right front. Yeah, look, man, this is the content, all right? Okay. So this little thing right here has been a lifesaver. This is a Cobalt 12 to 120 volt inflator. Comes with all sorts of attachments, which I threw away.
You go suck a dick and a banana, cause that is all you are.
This is pretty much the only thing you need. So now I'm gonna set this to about 30 psi. I put my hand around the tire and I didn't really feel anything, and I can't really see anything from where it is. Make sure you don't put these on random places. If I lost this, I don't know what I'd do. Probably cry. Get more views if I cried. There we go. Locks in. Now you set your pressure 30. All right. And this is it. It's like a boombox, but for your tire. So this is a little weird. I was reading about, oh, why is it stopping? I need about 30 psi. 30 psi. Well, let's see if that made a difference. We put our little cap on. These used to be black, but I took them to an undisclosed location to get the tires mounted, and they I don't want to say they stole them, but they are no longer on my car and on another car that is not mine. Still reading that low tire pressure right front. So what I'm thinking is I just need to drive it a little bit, see if I can clear the code. So let's go do that. I don't normally drive in the rain, but today you guys are going to see me drive in the rain. We'll see. I don't know. If I die, I'm gonna start a GoFundMe to bring me back to life. This is where things get stupid. Left front is at 28 psi, right front 24 psi. Hasn't cleared yet, so.
See this? This is the face of a man trying not to crap himself.
I'm driving a little bit, right? Trying to clear this code, and when I initially put the air in, it said that it was around 30 psi, but it's still not clearing. Typically it would say like, okay, yeah, it's at 30 psi, and then it would start off at 24 psi, but then show something different eventually. But no, not this time. This time it just stays at 24 psi, and it sucks. But these back roads though, still sucks. Trying not to drive it hard. Oh snap, look at that. Riding cows. I've heard their milk tastes terrible.
Straight from the teat.
Alright, so I'm back home and the PSI is still too low to clear the code. We gained 1 PSI on the left side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put more air in it, and that should clear it. But I don't know, man, we'll see. It doesn't look too low, but better safe than sorry. Add a little bit more air. Hopefully we can hit that 25 psi mark, or maybe 30 psi mark. Gonna go back inside and get that little doohickey, connect her up, and that's the universal sign for connect. So we'll see if we can clear that code. So the rain has stopped, good thing. I tried to put a little bit more air in it. She looks like she's lifted a little bit. Go back in and check the stats. Still. So I checked the tire for nails. I checked it for anything that might be maybe causing it to lose pressure, and there's nothing. So at this point, I'm not sure what to do. This thing is a piece of crap. Don't buy this thing. Yo, this started off as such a good review. Look at you, I trusted you. Piece of shit. I don't know, I'll have to at some point maybe get to that tire, but today's not the day. The goal is to get up to 10,000 subscribers. I don't know, just a fun goal to have. So if this is your first time checking out my channel, checking out the Z06, be sure to leave a like on this video. Subscribe if you would, because it does help out my channel a lot. If you like the content, I mean, check out the previous videos. It's kind of dope, it's getting there. That's all I got, man. Peace.